Zambian Irritech, we're a specialist irrigation company here in Zambia. We've been operating in Zambia since the 90s, helping growers irrigate their crops. We have a great team of people, a lot of knowledge. We can do all sorts of things, be it movable irrigation systems like pivots or solid set, sprinklers. You can go on and on talking about the different irrigation things, but we've been here for quite a while and we have quite a bit of experience. It's great to be here at the expo today. We've had the opportunity to see a few dozen growers and farmers, many of them clients, happy clients, potential clients as well. It's great to see the expo so well attended, not just by irrigation companies, there's also people selling equipment. It's cool to see Zambia is busy with farming. I'm sure people watching this that are interested in agriculture will know about Nampu, which is in South Africa. That also started out as a small agricultural show, and it's something huge. I think in a week more than 100,000 people are attending that. So I think, seeing the current environment here, I could see this expo becoming something really big, and I see farming growing in Zambia. Also, just the opportunity that this show's allowed for us to see growers, see people that are creating food security. They're using land sustainably, they're using water. It's really great, and I think this ties back, I think it was about 2 months ago, His Excellency the President, he gave a really good speech where he was talking about irrigation and how it adds food security, it creates jobs, and most importantly, it's a crop guarantee. If you go out, it's expensive to buy all the inputs, to buy seed, to buy fertilizer, also your time. You only have one season to farm, but if you have irrigation, then you sort of have a guarantee that you are going to be able to take a crop off the field, provide for your family, provide for your employees. So this goes back to job creation. One person could come into an area, develop a farm, and there's all these knock-on effects where you have people that are then able to work on the farm. Yeah, so it's just great to see job creation. I hope to see it going forward. Yeah, if I could add a little bit more about irrigation, I haven't been working too long in irrigation. I'm learning the ropes, and as I said, there's so much experience at our company. It's great to learn from the people in our company. My favorite part thus far is movable irrigation, center pivot irrigation. So we're the sole distributor for Valley center pivots in Zambia. So we've done like a little model here. We made this at a workshop, but Valley is a tough pivot. It originates in the United States, late 40s. And they've just been building a reliable and tough machine that's made for the African continent, and that's my favorite part. Then from there we also sell drip irrigation. So this is a thin pipe that's going sort of in rows, so you see this more in an orchard application. You do see people growing row crops with drip irrigation now and then, but it's mainly more towards orchards. We also have micro jet, which is basically a small sprinkler, little sprinklers, and that's also seen in the orchard application. So you have little sprinklers underneath each tree, and then we also do sprinklers. So you'll usually set up a sprinkler system where you have a sprinkler on a stand, and then to cover your entire area, you'll then move that sprinkler, say 3 or 4 times in a week, to make sure that you cover the entire area. So you might see this with people doing pastures. So if you have cattle, then you could set up sprinklers and you could irrigate a small block and make sure that your cattle and other animals, livestock, have food. I enjoy working with customers. Come through, work with us. We can sit down, do a design for you, look at in irrigation everything is custom. So we work with clients, we build a relationship. If it comes to such a stage, we go do site visits, we do a survey, and we tailor a product specifically for the client, and from there we offer a quote, and then it's obviously up to the free market to decide if they want to purchase or not. So we have a presence online. If you go Google Zambian Irritech, you'll find us, but we're also on Kafui Road, Chilanga area, just across from the Zambeef depot. You'll find us over there. We've got a big signboard, so you're more than welcome to come in and have a chat with one of our sales consultants or design engineers. Lusaka South.